Top 5 Blood Cancer Hospitals in India. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram, established in 2013, beds, 330 plus, treatment offered, CAR T-cell therapy, stem cell transplant, targeted treatments. Accredited by Joint Commission International, JCI. Trusted destination for international patients seeking quality care. Fortis Memorial Research Institute is a leading center for cancer care, known for its expertise in personalized treatments. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram, established in 2009, beds, 1600 plus, treatment offered, bone marrow transplant, CAR T-cell therapy, chemotherapy. Accredited by Joint Commission International, JCI. Preferred choice for medical travelers seeking holistic care. Medanta, the Medicity in Gurugram is known for its innovative approach to cancer care and patient-centric services. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, established in 1941, beds, 700 plus, treatment offered, bone marrow transplant, chemotherapy, radiation therapy. Accredited by National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers. Welcomes patients from around India. Tata Memorial Hospital, a pioneer in cancer care in India, is known for its comprehensive approach to treating blood cancer patients. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, established in 1956, beds, 2400 plus, treatment offered, CAR T-cell therapy, bone marrow transplant, molecular diagnostics, genetic counseling. Accredited by National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers. Attracts domestic patients seeking cutting-edge treatments. AIIMS in New Delhi is a prestigious institution known for its research-driven approach to cancer treatment and care. Artemis Hospitals, Gurugram, established in 2007, beds, 750 plus, treatment offered, bone marrow transplant, CAR T-cell therapy, personalized medicine, survivorship care. Accredited by Joint Commission International, JCI. Preferred choice for international patients seeking quality care. Artemis Hospital in Gurugram is a comprehensive healthcare facility known for its patient-focused cancer care services. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in blood cancer treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.